I will stitch this cloth. This rag is as black as pitch. The sad witch sat in the ditch. Mum put a patch on the quilt. I will catch a bus at 6 o'clock. The bad witch had a long stick. Which witch had the black cat? Pat left his small pet in the hutch. Tom had a bad itch on his left leg. The vest shrunk and I must stretch it. I got a strong stench from that trash bin. The dog had a stretch on the long grass. Patch the dog can fetch the small stick. That tramp with the bad leg had a crutch. Did a man from the gang snatch the bag? Snatch that ball and fling it up on the wall.